Is Harco. You can see that the Harco old model, I think 1998. So today we have a job sequence, and then we are going to start our PC. That is the control. It's an old model. Before that there was some other type of equipment used for the control purpose of the CNC, and now it's on Linux based system. I will show you afterwards where is the PC. PC is on the back side. Now our system is started. Now in the morning time we started our workshop. There is another machine also. You can see the mazak V15N power center. It's also a CNC milling machine. You can see that our operator is now currently controlling the machine, and we will see which job we are going to make today. What type of job we are going to make today? So here we are going to get it to the home position. So machine is in the home position.
Самый данги.
The operator, Mr. Ridwan, has much experience on that machine. He has much more experience, so he's working much fast. So you can watch it by making the watch time slow. Then you can understand how he is doing everything. Relax and in easy way. So we started our job now. So in Pakistan, a lot of people are talking in the native language. You can see that our Pakhtun brothers are talking in their own language, that the cut needs to be very sharp. So we started the cut. Starting on the X direction, forming the machine in X direction, and that's one on the upper side of job is going to be finished. So that was an operation of mazak power center V15N. I can show you the machine by itself from the back side. On the back side it looks like this: motors, command and control center, the bed of the motor, the control system, the cabinet. Here we have the cabinet, drive, ferro roll, Mitsubishi electric operation. You can see that all the control systems, and here is also some delegate control unit inside it. So I'm not going to open because the machine is working form. So currently we are not going to inspect much more things. This is the back side. You see the back side power, and I'm going to on the. Okay, here is the X, Y, and Z directions, control unit, control, all the things, relays are there installed. If you see precisely, a lot lot of relays, control units. Then we are then here. This is a hydraulic greasing system. Pneumatic system. Here you can see the pneumatic valves. ATC automatic tool changer, but there is no auto ATC tools are installed because the ATC has some malfunction, so we are working without it. You can see that a lot of things are working here. If you can hear a lot of sound is coming from that machine. So pneumatic greasing system, pressure, and a lot of things are involved. That's an outlook of the ATC of mazak. As you can see, the spring system, again the motor bed, and from the other side we are coming out from the mazak.